So job number 5 is actually the simplest. You sell. So in our previous video, we introduced how to start working online. We actually outlined the 3 most important things that you need to start working online. If you have not watched that video, I would recommend you first watch it. This is a link above here. So guys, in this video, we are going to answer the question, what are the 5 best online jobs in 2020? What are the 5 best online jobs in 2020? Come on guys, let's do this. If you're new to this channel, my name is Smart Mato. This is where we discuss how to work online, how to shop online, and we do occasional vlogs so that we can get to know each other. And so if you're interested in such content, kindly consider to subscribe immediately. So in this video, we're going to discuss the 5 best online jobs in 2020 that you can start working immediately. So the first job that everybody keeps talking about is the affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is where you sell a product and get a commission out of it. For example, if I'm selling a nylon box, as you can see behind me, so let's say Amazon, or in my case Jumia, are selling that iron box. So I'll come out here and sell it, not at a profit. I will sell it at the same price that the site is selling. But what I'll do is that I will get a commission after you use my referral link. That is what I'm talking about. So for example, I live in Kenya and we use Jumia here and Kilimall and Glovo for most of our online purchases. So what happens is that when I recommend people, like I'm actually recommending to go and check out the affiliate links in the description, what will happen is that I will get a percentage. And out of that percentage, the more traffic I take to the website, the more money I make. So that is the first thing that people call affiliate marketing. You take people to that site. You take customers to that site. And after doing that, you get a commission. So that is the first online job. And that is the first job that I started working with when I was in campus. I used to recommend people to buy jerseys, football jerseys. And actually, I would get a commission out of it. And it actually made approximately $300. So if you're just starting working online and you have a relatively big crowd following, I would actually recommend this. But if you don't have a big social media following, continue watching this video. So the second online job that we actually recommend you to start in 2020 is social media management. What do I mean? Social media management is where you approach a company and propose that you be managing the content that they post in their social media platforms. What are these social media platforms? I'm talking about blogs, I'm talking about websites, I'm talking about Twitter, I'm talking about any social media platform that the company has. So how do you go about starting social media management? What you do is that you must be legally registered as a company or a business name, because you have to approach this company with a formal proposal. So after registering a company or business name, you approach them with a portfolio, and I'm going to make a dedicated video about this. That's why I'm telling you need to subscribe to this channel immediately. So that is the second thing, the social media management. You approach companies to manage their social media content, especially if you're creative. This is the one for you. All right, so the first one is affiliate marketing, the second one is social media management. So the third job that should actually consider starting in 2020 is writing. What do I mean by writing? Writing is where a client approaches you to write anything for them. I'm telling you, it can be anything. It can be an essay, it can be a report, it can be a letter. For example, yesterday I was just writing a readmission letter where a student was forced out of school for I don't know what, and then he approached me with a draft where I was supposed to polish the draft, to paraphrase or something, or edit the draft and then send it to them. So actually writing is not all about academic writing. You can write essays, you can write books, you can write courses for people, you can write lesson plans. So whatever you feel you are good in, you can get a job in this place. So whatever you feel that you can write, you can actually do it for money. And that is why, again, you need to subscribe to this channel, because the next video will be talking about where to get these jobs. Where can we get these jobs from? All right, so the third best online job in 2020 is writing. You write content. All right, let's go on. So the fourth job that I actually recommend you consider starting, if you're not good in content management, you're not good in writing, you're not good in affiliate marketing, come on guys, you should consider trying transcribing. So what is transcribing? Transcribing is where you listen to an audio file and then just write what the people are saying. You are paid for that, imagine. And the best thing is that we have softwares that listen for you, and then the only thing you do is to edit. Come on guys, you can consider this option for real, especially for students. If you're in school, consider starting transcribing. So the fifth online job is actually the simplest. You just open a social media account and then you sell it after you grow it. I know man, it's crazy. For example, someone was selling me an Instagram account with 50,000 followers, alright, for $500. And that individual was telling me that is his day-to-day job. He grows such an account in 1 month and sells for $500 and is actually a student. We have thousands and thousands of jobs online. So it's up to you to decide which one do you want. So the first job, affiliate marketing. The second job, social media management. The third type of jobs, writing. Fourth, transcribing. 5 is opening and selling social media accounts. Guys, in the next series of videos, you're going to be looking at each and every type of job. Where do you get these jobs? How do they get paid? Which one is the best? You're going to be checking each of these jobs on what you need and what they pay. Which one pays the most? Which one is your favorite? Which one fits with your skills and your personality? So come on guys, you need to subscribe to this channel immediately. Let's get to 3,000 followers, and don't forget to pass the love in this self lockdown mode. All right, so this is your boy Smart Mato signing out.